of yun na parang sabihin mo dito so with the Page of Swords, no, sabihin natin kasi rito may rose pa. Parang iniisip mo, sana yung person mo sweet, no, ganito, ganyan, may flowers, palaging binibig. But then, ay nang kabaligtaran, no, palagi kayo nag-argue, something like that, no, may conflict, no, for some of you. Kumbaga nawawala na yung sweetness, no. Maybe for some of you, ganito yung person you before, at ngayon nawawala na yung ganitong momentum sa relationship ninyo, right? No, so nagre-reminisce kayo for some of you. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, so maybe with the Page of Swords, no, sabihin mo na lang sa person mo yung nararamdaman mo, right? No, may na gusto mo sana maibalik yung before. Baka hindi lang naman isa ang may problema eh. Both of you, no, kailangan nyo rito ng communication, right? Mga fire signs natin para masabi nyo sa isa't isa ano yung mga ayaw na nagagawa ninyo